stars in the dark. My red 52 truck, fire in its spark. Engine roar loud, tearing up the tar. Old international rolling superstar. Shiny chrome bumpers, grill lit like a blaze. Got her rear view daydreaming in a daze. Dashboard glowing, bright knobs all in line. Steering this beauty like I'm on cloud nine. She's my red flame, my ride in the night. Burning through miles, got her holding tight. Classic wheels rolling under the moonlight. In my flame red truck, everything's alright. Paint so bright it can light up a storm. Engine warm, humming, keeping me conformed. Seat so soft like a leather embrace. Gotta keep cruising, can't slow the pace. Gas pedal pushing, take her to the edge. Bright red glimmer like a life's pledge. Open road stretching all wide and free. My old red pickup is just her and me. She's my red flame, my ride in the night. Burning through miles, got her holding tight. Classic wheels rolling under the moonlight. In my flame red truck, everything's alright. Bright red glimmer like a life's pledge. Open road stretching, all wide and free. My old red pickup is just her and me. She's my red flame, my ride in the